Hey friends, if you wish to open settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now we can open settings just like we open any other app on Windows. So the first process is that we will right click on the start button and then select settings. And this is the easiest method as well. The second method is through search. So we will simply search for settings and then open settings. The third method is through the start button. So when we click on the start button, usually we find settings in the pinned apps. But if you don't, simply click on all apps and then scroll to S and then click on settings. The next option is through the system tray. So click on the system tray here and you'll find the gear like symbol. Click on this to open settings. But at times when the file explorer is hanging, none of these methods will work. In this case, I'll give you a better method. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type ms-settings : and hit enter to open the settings window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.